What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mammoth Meal. Now this is kind of between the Mammoth Mass and the Mammoth ISO Rush, so it's a meal replacement, all-in-one premium superfood meal. So this has real whole food organic carbs, high quality tri-pro protein complex, whole food healthy fats. This is banned substance free, gluten free, peanut free, no artificial colors or dyes, fruit and green complex, easy digestion, 4.1 grams of BCAAs and 4.7 grams of EAAs, naturally occurring electrolytes, Greek yogurt, probiotics, and no soy. Another big benefit of this is it has no maltodextrin, which is in their mutant or Mammoth Mass gainer and every other mass gainer out there because it's cheap to produce, comes from corn, and it's not the best thing for us. This is great tasting, all in one. Won't hear the chocolate fudge brownie flavor. It also comes in a banana nut bread. So very, very similar to a meal replacement. A lot of these come with a little bit of a different flavor to them. So per 2 scoops of this, we're looking at 200 calories with 4.5 grams of fat, 286 milligrams of potassium, 20 grams of carbohydrates, with 3 of them being fiber and 2 of them being sugar, and 20 grams of protein. So pretty out there. Like, they got quality carbohydrates in this, good quality protein. So the calorie breakdown is 40% protein, 40% carb, and 20% fat. So that's a nice macro split. That's usually what I run myself, somewhere around that for my macronutrients. So this falls perfectly in line with that. The Mammoth Tri-Pro protein complex comes from whey protein concentrate, milk protein isolate, and micellar casein. The Mammoth Carb complex comes from gluten-free oat powder, pea starch, organic oat bran, organic amaranth, organic quinoa, organic buckwheat, organic millet, organic chia, and sweet potato powder. That's pretty cool. Not a lot of meal replacements are gonna have that much quality in it, so this is actually really nice. I do enjoy the Mammoth Meal. It is an all-in-one premium superfood meal, so if you're looking for something to take while you're on the go, the Mammoth Meal, it's gonna be pretty good for you. It is a little bit healthier than their Mammoth Mass, and it tastes a little bit better too. I actually do enjoy their Mammoth Meal a little bit more than most of the mass gainers. And again, mass gainers are just pure carbs, so they usually taste pretty good, but Mammoth Meal is nice. Again, Greek yogurt probiotics as well, so it's got a lot going on in it. For flavor, out of 10, I'm gonna give the Mammoth Meal an 8 out of 10. In terms of effective ingredients, I'm gonna give that a 9. Now, I'm comparing this to other mass building products. This is somewhat of a meal replacement, so compared to mass gainers, 9 out of 10, it's a lot better. Quality carbs, quality fats, quality proteins. It's a little bit more expensive, but you're getting what you pay for, so that's the nice thing about that. Overall, I'm gonna give the Mammoth Meal an 8.5 out of 10. What I like best is it has good quality carbohydrates coming from a variety of different sources, quality protein again, also from 3 different sources, as well as it has some different things in it. The Greek yogurt probiotic complex doesn't have peanuts in it, which is very rare. A lot of products have some traces of peanuts. It's gluten-free, banned substance-free, easy to digest, has some naturally occurring electrolytes, no soy. A lot of good things in the Mammoth Meal, so go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time.